Xiaomi's flagship conference for the second half of the year has been officially set. The company will announce two new smartphone products, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 5G, which is actually the Mi Mix 4, and the Mi 9 Pro 5G on September 24. Alongside the new smartphone announcements, Xiaomi will also take the wrap off the MIUI 11 OS and a brand new Mi TV. But in this video, we are going to focus on the Mi Mix 4. It looks like the company will change the naming scheme of the new Mix series. Instead of adopting the Mi Mix 4 name, the new model will be called the Mi Mix 5G. So hey folks, this is Samir and here is everything you need to know about the Mi Mix 4. Excited? So let's get started. For Xiaomi, the Mi Mix lineup has always been the medium to show the company's deep knowledge in design and aesthetics. The Mi Mix 4, aka the Mi Mix 5G, is likely to push the design to next level. In terms of specifications, the phone is set to be powered by a 90Hz display, Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. The Mi Mix 5G is expected to get a 4500 mAh battery with 40W fast charging support. The next generation Mi Mix smartphone will also support 5G. Perhaps the biggest highlight of the Mi Mix 5G will be its camera. Apparently, the flagship smartphone could pack a 108MP Samsung-made sensor into a phone. Xiaomi has recently teamed up with Samsung to develop a 108MP ultra-clear sensor. This is the first camera sensor on a smartphone to go beyond 100MP. Now, if we talk about the design, the tempered glass leak shows that Xiaomi will not be going with any of the popular trends such as a punch hole or a notch or even the new waterfall display design. Yes, the glass does have a certain degree of curvature to it, but it is more like that of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 than that of Vivo's Nex 3. Also on the front side, there will be a pop-up mechanism for the selfie camera, which has now become a trend for premium mid-range as well as flagship smartphones. So guys, are you excited for the Mi Mix 4? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do